Mike, show you you're going to shoot a gun. Ready?
Don't point it this way!
Shanna, throw the thing. And he missed. Come on, throw it again.
Don't point it this way!
Okay, safety's off. And here he goes again. Oh my goodness, he just tried. Oh, and he go again. Yeah, not yet. And here he shoots a 3.5. Go. And another 3.5.
Wow! Big miss. Bull! Pull!
Ready?
Put it down here!
Ready?
Wait. Pull!
And you missed. Wow.
I'm not even sure if I got it.
Huh?
Not sure if I got it.
Huh? Do everything for myself. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oops. And I got the and I missed.
No, actually you hit it. Where is it? What the heck?
All you gonna do? You gotta watch the pigeons.
I'm following the pigeon!
Not even close.
I think you hit one.
And I missed.
I don't know if I got that or not.
You gotta see Grandma. Go.
You ready?
Put your shoulders. Okay, go. Go.
I'm coming as far as you are. That was nice.
Wait up. 5 shots. Hit the target. Go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1 shot.